Hey DIYers, today we're replacing a Delta shower valve cartridge. The homeowner was having trouble controlling the hot and cold water in the shower. According to her, a plumber came out about a year ago to fix it, but instead of replacing the cartridge, it looks like they simply removed the temperature limiter. So the real problem was never actually fixed. Today we're going to install a new cartridge and get this shower working properly again. Step 1. Turn off the water. Before doing anything, safety first. Turn off the water to your house. On most homes, this is the main shutoff valve. Rotate it all the way to the right until it's fully closed. Step 2. Removing the old cartridge. First thing I noticed was the retaining nut holding the cartridge in place. Luckily, it was only hand tight, which is exactly how it's supposed to be. Sometimes people install these with channel locks and crank them down way too tight. When that happens, getting them off can be a real nightmare. Fortunately, that wasn't the case here. Step 3. Pulling the cartridge. Next, I pulled the cartridge out of the valve body, and thankfully, it came out in one piece without breaking apart. If you've done many of these, you know that's always a win. One reason it probably came out so easily is because this home's water supply comes from rainwater, which usually has fewer minerals compared to city water. That means less buildup inside the valve. Step 4. Preparing the valve. Before installing the new cartridge, I made sure the inside of the valve was clean and cleared debris. Then I applied some plumber's grease to the rubber seals on the new cartridge to help it slide in smoothly and seal properly. Step 5. Installing the new cartridge. Once the seals were lubricated, I installed the new cartridge. And threaded the retaining nut back on. I also added a little lubricant to the threads of that nut. Hopefully that'll make things easier for the next plumber who has to work on it someday. Aside from a stuck retaining nut or a cartridge that breaks apart inside the valve, replacing a Delta cartridge is usually a pretty straightforward job. Honestly, the hardest part most of the time is simply figuring out which cartridge model you need. And that's it for this repair. If you've ever run into problems with a Delta shower cartridge, let me know in the comments what issues you've seen. And as always, thanks for watching.